What's up, paid to play community? Today we are going to talk about Jewels and Gods. This is a beautiful game on the Wax blockchain. Today I'm going to show you how to get the Godlike badge, and the Godlike badge will whitelist you for a limited pre-sale in the future, and you will be able to buy packs at 70% off. Man, that's crazy. It will have useful features in the future, I'm sure, too, the Godlike badge. So let's get into this. Let me show you how this works. Alright, so all the links will be in the description too that I'm going to be showing you. When you scroll down, you can see that they're introducing you to a couple of the gods here. The artwork is absolutely beautiful too, let me just say. We got the Divine, the Kind, and the Warrior. Let me know what you guys want to choose in the comments. Maybe we chose the same thing. I definitely went with the Divine, that's for sure. I definitely chose the Divine. Their Discord is pretty nice too. It's actually really beautiful, and you can choose on there too what you want to be. So I hope you guys join the Discord. Really, join the Discord. Super friendly. Alright, so I believe I'm getting this right with their play to earn mechanics. The first stage of the project, they will introduce 3 internal token cryptocurrencies that will be earned only by staking the pieces of jewelry that you guys have crafted after level 3. So after their big sale, the idea is to not have any more sales, and the only way of getting new materials workshops is by the blessings or by actually buying the God token, the cryptocurrencies, and then buying the materials used, right? The materials used to create your gems or whatever you need, or the pieces of jewelry. So the second stage, they're gonna start creating rare jewelry in collaboration with real jewelers. After that, after crafting them, this crafting can only be done a fixed amount of times that depends on the jeweler. Well, that's absolutely crazy. So they said they're gonna collaborate with real jewelers and craft actual pieces of jewelry signed by the author. That's insane. In the third step, so in the long term, the idea is to create a shop, or virtual or physical, where we sell actual pieces of jewelry. That's nuts. That's crazy. And this is all done on the blockchain too. Wow, absolutely. I will definitely be following this project some more. I just, wanted to throw in that's what the collaboration with artists, okay. Physical store with exclusive jewelry in season 3. Okay. Now that is gonna be insane. That is gonna be insane. So let's show you how to get this God token and get started. So here we got the craftsman path. You're gonna be a craftsman, right? And you're gonna be able to craft some pretty epic looking jewels, and I'll show you all that stuff in a second here. And these are the standard crates. I believe these are what's gonna, if you're whitelisted, this is what's gonna be 70% off here. It could be more stuff too as well. We got a crafting guide. I'll take you through that in a second here, but I wanted to show you the roadmap real quick, and then we'll get into how to get the Godlike badge. So it looks like they're on season 1, the arrival, brand new project, brand new. You guys are super early on this, so this is ground zero right here. You're on day 1 basically, and you could take off with this project if you want. So they did the presentation of the gods, delivery of badges, Discord server launch, the initial sale of crates, add odds and blessings, add new recipes and jewels. So they're gonna be doing all that very soon here. In season 2, I see at the bottom it says land rental. That's what I'm I'm most curious about. That looks pretty interesting. So yeah, they got passive and variable stake, which is good. They're going to be collaborating with other projects. And creation of guilds. That is also very interesting. So it looks like we're going to get to work together. And I hope to see you guys in the paid to play community, where we have guilds in all different blockchain games. So hopefully you come and join and be a part of it. Let me show you this crafting guide real quick here, because it's pretty epic. So they got different rarities, and different rarities give you different chance of success in crafting, right? Makes sense. But then what you craft is gonna be epic too. Hopefully when they come out with some more crafting, we can see some like nice jewelry. Probably might even have in-game effects too. They might even come out with a whole game based around it, where you can even equip these pieces of equipment to your character. Who knows? I'll get in more on crafting in another video. I wanted to show you exactly how to get this Godlike badge right here. The Godlike badge looks epic too. So right here, it represents the fusion of the 4 badges and the 4 God badges right here. So you need all 4 of these badges, right? And you can find these badges on Atomic Hub. Just go to the insignia tab they got, and then you can find all 4 of them. And then they're super cheap too, super cheap. So you want to get in on this while it's cheap. You know how things go, it just blows up and then you're left behind. You don't want to be left behind. But once you got all 4 badges, you can come on over to NeftyBlocks. So this is one of their partners I'm thinking that they work with. Once you have all 4 of these in your account here, you're gonna come to blend. Now you're gonna want to blend these together, so you can see that you can also start making some of the other jewelry in here. And look at these, they look absolutely beautiful. But right here you can go to filter, if I own all the requirements, if I own at least one of the requirements, or show all, and it says that there's 0 ingredients missing for the Godlike badge. So let's go with this and select all of these and click blend. Approve. Blend successful. Very good, very good. Let's go back to my NFTs, and right there, boom, you got the Godlike badge. Absolutely epic. Let's do some of these packs here. Let's open up some packs together. Bag of Hopelessness. Let's open this, see what's going on here. Reveal to me what's going on. Ooh, look at that. So you got the workshop. You need the workshop in order to craft. And if you go on the items description, it will explain a little bit more about what you need. So you need like 4 broken copper pieces and a workshop to create to reconnect it or whatever, to craft it back together, you know. So, which is awesome. Let's see what happened here. Yeah, they're in here. So yeah, if in the description on here, if you go to broken, click on broken copper, and you come down to the description, it says that you can recover with 3 of these. So if you have 3 broken copper pieces, you can, in a workshop, you can craft it back together, I assume. So that's what the description says. Let's continue opening some of these packs. Alright guys, let's see what happens here. Bag of hopelessness. Alright, let's do this. Reveal to me what's going on. I can't wait to craft some jewelry with this stuff too. Like, the stuff looks absolutely epic. So a special Easter bag promo. Again, yep, I was sponsored to open these packs for you guys and show you what's going on here, and I did it with pleasure because I looked at the project beforehand and it looks beautiful. I'm not just gonna sit here and do whatever promo comes my way. I definitely want to bring you guys good projects, and this looks like it has a lot of potential. Holy shit, we got 3 broken sapphires and a workbench. I could blend these together. Alright, let's just do one more here. I was just gonna show you guys how to do the Godlike badge, but let's do this. So look at it, shows you the requirements, and I got the requirements. So let's blend this. Let's blend this together. I mean, this kind of just threw me off right here. This asset contains an unknown mint numbers. Make sure you understand what you're doing before you proceed. Pretty sure I know what I'm doing. I want to create a sapphire, right? And then you can use the sapphire to craft jewelry or, you know, bling yourself out. I'm looking forward to this. Let's do this. And it says Godlike too, so I'm pretty sure like that's a really high rarity, so this should go through. Blend successful. Okay, there you have it. Now you got a sapphire. That's epic. Absolutely epic. And you can see that all this is still listed now in your inventory, and you can, if you want, you can sell this stuff. The earning potential is going to be coming in the future. Right now it's just the initial launch, so I would hold on to all this stuff. I would hold on to all this. Like, we don't know how many there is going to be. You know, this is, you know, brand new. Look at, there's only 2 of these. Mint number 2 out of 5. Yeah, that's crazy. So you guys just make sure you get on board to this game. There's gonna be some serious potential in the future for this one. Again, season 1, we just started. Alright, this is brand new. Make sure you come check this out. Seriously, make sure you come check this out. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this here. Paid to play community, I love you all. Thank you for your support and love. I'm going to continue to do my best research into these blockchain games and get this information out to my community. Make sure you join the Discord. Make sure you join Jules and God's Discord. Shout out to Joseph. He did a great job on this. That's the creator, CEO of this fine project on the Wax blockchain. All right, guys. Until next time.